Full. Let's see, I had to start recording again. I don't know why it stopped. Oh well, anyway. Let's get these, get a couple of these plugs out. This one was leaking, I'm gonna get him out first. Great. You like that, huh? It's supposed to rotate. Damn it. Fight me now. One. Well, should be one. Damn it. Don't you go away. This daggum suspension joint's trying to go AWOL on me here. Come on, baby. Come on out. There you go. Here's one. I'm going to take a look at that here and see how it looks. Oof. You see that? Is it still recording? Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty. I got a little bit of dip down in here. You know. Here, let me try to get you up close. Can you see in there? Let me see. I think this is going to work for the illumination issue. That's right. I'm going to get you a good picture. Hold on. Sorry for the jerky movements. There. Shoot. There you go. Hope you can see some of that. Anyway, all of them are going to come out. Hopefully it won't be as silly as that first one that just came out. Let's see if we can get the rest out without all that dullness. Where'd that punch go? Now I've lost my oh, here's my good hammer. At least I found that. Now I can find my punch, I'll be good to go. This is sick. This is just crazy. Does anybody else have this problem? We just lose stuff instantaneously. Get another punch. Another one will work. Punch number 2. Maybe this will be my lucky punch. Okay, let's get this guy out. There we go. That's 2. I'm going to take a look for you. Sorry, I just have to tell you how it looks. Oh yeah, we're looking really good in here. It's got kind of a funky green to it. I don't know what that's all about. But there is essentially no rust in there whatsoever. That's a good thing. So we'll just keep going, keep rolling. I have to get these plugs out because they're literally driving me insane just knowing they're in here. Just having them in there at bottom ever since I put them in, I've been feeling sad, you know? It's like, what the heck, man? What are you doing? Why are you putting those garbage plugs in there? Watch me not be able to get the good ones. I'll have to put these stupid suckers back in again. So I'm going to knock all these buggers out. Come on, rotate. There you go. A little more. Come on. There you go. So it's exciting to watch. Guy knocking plugs out. Oh, fudge. Here's another one. All right. The good thing is they're kind of, I don't think they can get in a position where you couldn't grab them. It's just kind of, it's a little bit freaky when he happens to, oh, fudge, there it goes again. Come back. That guy really is fighting it. I got you now, Okay. There's all those guys. All out. Right? And all I got is some leftover brake clean in the bottom. I'm just sticking down there and see if anything dirty's coming back. Oh yeah. It just you know, some like black stuff. But not brown stuff, I'll say that much. And it's, you know, get the other side. Let's just roll you around like this. So we'll see what's going on here. Flip it a little bit opposite direction. Let me see what you're seeing. Yeah, that's all right. All right. Yeah, you're all right. You're all right. You're all right. You're okay. These didn't leak at all on this side. Ooh, I got a pretty good puddle there. You know what I'll probably do is I'll probably just blast it with compressed air. Yeah, I know, it was really dumb putting these in. I know. It's just, you know, just being stupid. What can I say? Come on, rotate. Be nice. Quite a bit of juice there. This damn plug. That's going to be a problem. All right, yeah, I got quite a bit of WD left over here. I don't know why that accumulated so badly there. Well, it's a good thing I'll get these plugs out. I can flip it over and really get it drained out. I guess that in and of itself is a good enough reason to pull these plugs out. See if I'm still recording you. Oh yeah, good. Fantastic. Two more. This guy's going to be kind of in the way of the Wilson unit. There you go. That's the way it's supposed to go. Guess I could take the Wilson unit out, but why make it easy? You can do it the hard way. And one more. And it's hot, hot, hot. This one was a real pest, by the way. I tried to use my tool to install, and for some reason it just seemed to make things worse, so I ended up having to back off on that idea. Okay, they are all out. So, yeah, a little bit of, still got some rust crud floating around in there. Yeah, you should see just the liquid pouring out. I don't know why it didn't all drain out. Oh, you know why? Because it's on this side of the thing, and maybe it just couldn't make itself all the way around, you know? But, that's all right. We'll just do it this way. Do it. Dump it like that. Let me use my safety here so I don't get crazy. And one more. Go slow. I don't want the flop on me. Just want it to drain. There we go. Hopefully that will get it. Might have to kind of rotate that back up just a hair. Figure out some way of getting that thing just exactly parallel to the ground. Probably put another screwdriver in there. Actually, this should let it drain pretty good. It's looking good. Well, I'm satisfied. Hope you guys enjoyed this segment of block cleaning by dummies. I have no idea if this is the right way to do it, the wrong way to do it, if it makes any sense at all, but, you know. So don't necessarily assume that what I'm doing here makes any sense at all. There we go. So now we've got it pretty well parallel. Hopefully those things will block the drain out real well. Now, I'm going around there. Yeah, we've got pretty good go. Okay, well that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me rotate up here and do a closeout. Take it to close. You ever see that one over it said close them out? Okay. So I'm going to spare you the cleanup. Why should we both have to do it, right? I'm going to spare you the cleanup process. I'm just going to let this set, put it over the side. I got to pick up a whole bunch of crap off the floor, get the cars back in, blah, 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 ginger. So that's what we're going to be doing next. And hopefully this treatment hasn't done anything wrong. It hasn't caused a bigger problem. Again, this whole thing, just to recap, again, is to deal with the fact that I had exhaust gases in my coolant. Oh, it was like WD gases in my coolant, right? So new head had to go on. In the process of doing all that, I found a tremendous amount of rust inside the block. I mean, packed like Mississippi mud type stuff. Washed it all out, rinsed it, washed it, rinsed it. Got what I thought was reasonably clean, but still had a pretty good surface rust on it. I got to thinking, well, let's give the old, why not, you know? Let's put the evap rust in there. Got that in there, let that sit for 6 hours. I don't know if that's long enough, not long enough, I don't know, it seemed long enough. I wasn't sure if it had any effect on the head. I kept the fluid below the head gasket. Then dumped that, flushed it with fresh water. After that, I said, okay, now we got water in there. I saw what water did to the impeller, the pump impeller. After sitting there for a couple weeks, you know, I just let it go one time. That impeller was brand new. It came out caked with a layer of rust like you wouldn't believe, like it'd been sitting at the bottom of the ocean. So I go, okay, that's not good. So that was the WD. That's the reason we jumped to the WD. So hopefully this works. I don't know if it will or not, but if it doesn't, you'll never know. Thanks for watching.